guys, and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can know your JAMB subject combination. Okay, so we know we know you have needs. So apart from putting past questions with the authentic solutions and videos and notes and flashcard and everything educational on the DTW JAMB CBT app, we've also put how your subject combination on the DTW JAMB CBT app. So I'm going to show you how to know your subject combination, the requirements, your university, to find out which university offers your course. Okay, so come here now to career and institution. This is where you enter. Then come to find schools. You click on find schools. You click on the school you want to. Is it a university? Is it polytechnic? Is it college of education? Is it innovation and entrepreneurship institution? Then you will find your course. What course are you going for? Okay, let's say you're going for medicine or accounting, whichever one. Okay, let's go for this biotechnology, because not all schools offer biotechnology. So let's go to biotechnology. Okay, so you click find. You can see what this does. It will help you. It will search out on our app the schools that offer your course, this course. Do you see that? So you can see these are the schools that offer biotechnology. All right, so in here you can now check for the competitiveness. For this is a FOCA, okay, in Akure Ondo. You see, okay, the competitive nature of this course is not that high. So if you score like 270, 280, you can gain admission into this course in Akure. All right, and so that is the competitiveness. Then you can check for the requirements. Can you see the requirements? English language, biology, chemistry, and any other science subject. Definitely it will be physics. Okay, so and this is the the UTME, that's your WAEC requirements. And can you see the catchment areas? So this is the catchment areas. That's the school covers the states. Okay, and this is also you can call the school. This is the school website to check for further information. So we've put this here for you. This is how you can check for the school, your JAMB subject combination, the requirements and all that. But please note that whatever you see there here, we picked from the JAMB brochure. So make sure, I always tell students, make sure, because there could be changes that we don't know of. Make sure before you use this subject combination, contact that school, the department, and confirm their requirements again before you start your registration. I hope you guys get me, guys. Okay, so thank you. So to access this feature, you need to activate your DTW JAMB CBT app, and it costs 4,000 naira to activate. Guys, it's not scam. It is real. When you activate it, you have access to everything on the app, and it is for a whole year, and it works without the internet. Thank you so much, guys. All right. And don't forget that Jesus is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, and He's the life. Thank you.